put together a starting plan. For a long time, the hardest thing for me was to put together a plan because certain things don't always work out the way you plan them. I allowed that to discourage me for a long time, but I began to realize that I don't need to have every piece of it together. All I really have to do is have a starting plan. It's amazing how things start falling into place. One of my affirmations is, I am always led by the Great Spirit, so I always know exactly what to do. So I have to realize that just a starting plan to start out, give me that confidence. My true power begins to build with the confidence because I have a plan. I know exactly what I want to do. And even if it doesn't work out the exact way, at least I have a blueprint to go by. Build that self-confidence, finding your inner power, getting a starting plan. Also subscribe. Great music, entertainment, inspiration, motivation. If that's your thing, hit that subscribe button and join the family. I upload videos like this all the time, so you'll never run out of inspiring and empowering motivation around here. Definitely would love to have you in the family. 2 more videos will come up on the screen. Click the one that makes the most sense for you right now. Either way, you're going to be inspired and empowered to do great things in your life, and I'm blessed to be a part of that. So see me over there. Stay blessed, stay positive. Remember, there is no God outside of us. There's only God within us, and with that, we are unstoppable. All things possible. Nothing that needs to be done in our lives that together we cannot do. I'll see you on the next level.